Say goodbye to daily cleaning hassles and hello to spotless floors with our smart robot vacuum. Removing dust, dirt, and pet hair while you relax or focus on what matters most. Experience the future of effortless cleaning with our advanced robot vacuum, smart, powerful, and designed to keep your floors spotless. So you can enjoy more free time and a cleaner home without lifting a finger.
I am ready to connect to Wi-Fi. I'm creating a map of your floor plan. My water tank is being filled. Starting to dry my pad. Cleaning mission complete. Going back to the base.